Key Australian driving rules and regulations for beginners. Hello friends, welcome to Car Learner. If you are a beginner and don't know Australian driving rules, you should not miss it. So let's learn some rules and regulations before you get behind the wheels. Number Rule 1, Drink and Drive Rule. It is better to avoid alcohol completely if you are driving. However, the legal limit of the blood alcohol level is 0.05%, but in New South Wales, it is 0.02%. Number Rule 2, U-turns. In Australia, you can only take U-turn if a sign is permitting it at an intersection. Otherwise, it is illegal to take a U-turn. But this rule does not apply to Victoria and the Australian Capital Territory. Number Rule 3. Left turn at red light. Unless there is a sign permitting left turn at the red light, it is illegal to take a turn. Number Rule 4. Give way to the right at roundabouts. Give way to the right at intersections. But exceptions are applied if road signs or traffic lights tell you. Number Rule 5. Watch out while changing speed limits. Urban areas impose a speed limit of 50 km per hour in residential areas. However, the limit lowers from 25 to 40 km per hour around schools. Number Rule 6. Don't beep your horn. Try not to beep your horn unless you are warning other drivers about a direct threat. Number Rule 7. Don't park vehicle facing oncoming traffic. If you park vehicles facing oncoming traffic in Australia, you'll be fined as it is illegal. However, you can park on the left-hand side on the road clear of all the traffic. Thanks for watching the video. Check out the description box for more. www.carlearner.com